Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a business owner or aspiring business owner, listen to what I'm about to share with you today. If you are looking to improve your workspace efficiency and collaboration, I have got you an amazing software, AI generated tool that will help you to achieve all the goals you need to succeed in your workspace. Let's dive in while I break everything to you in details. Let's dive in.
Welcome to my video again, guys. So the name of the website is called ClickUp. All right, this is the site here, ClickUp. So to get started with this website, all you need to do is to sign up. All right, by signing up, it will pop up two options. You see that you sign up through your Google directly, or you just inside your Gmail email account. Okay, so since I already created an account, that is why it's showing me this one access. Okay, so let me walk you through my interface. All right, so here's my interface, the account interface. So here are the features under this account. We have themes, docked, dashboards, whiteboards, forms, clips, goals, and timesheets. All right, so let me walk you through this one or two of these features. So let me walk you through themes. So already I created something on these themes. So I created this. I have two themes here. So mind you, I'm using a free version. All right, so if I need to upgrade this account, I will have access to other features. So since I'm using free version, I'm only limited to two. Or for this particular features, I can only create two themes. All right, I have one here which is teamwork one, and then Baba theme and Baba theme. All right, so on this Baba theme, you can do many things under this Baba theme. This is the overview here. This is analytics, priorities feed, team, stand up, workload, and timesheets. All right, so if you need to add member, I added myself as a member. If you need to add a member, just click here, add a member. If you want to check your members online, they are online. Today is Friday, I'm online here. One user is online. You can see here. If you need to add a bookmarks, just click here. I already added one. Just click here and add it, any link. Okay, so who to have access to this public Baba team and workspace Baba team only. All right, so of course Baba team and workspace. All right, so people that will have access, including myself and every other members who are in this particular team, will have access to this particular bookmarks. All right, so the essence of having this in place is for you to organize your team. All right, monitor them, give them information. This is another route you can easily communicate with your team. Instead of you may not necessarily have a board meeting with them physically. You can also do them by creating a team in a platform. A platform has been created whereby you can organize this your team, just give them access and pass information to them. All right, this is one easy way to do that. All right, so let me walk you through another features. So this is docked features. Okay, on this dot features, you can create a dot here. All right, so all you just need to do is to create a dot here. Okay, create a dot here. Now let's say Babadi dot. All right, what else again? I can create something like I like walking. Right, so once that is done, what else can you do again? Okay, so once that is done, just alright. Okay, so once that is done, you just, I forgot to show you how I escaped that. Let me walk you through again. Alright, so once you are done with whatever information, this is a doc that you created. Alright, if you are familiar with dots, you should understand what I mean by dots. Alright, so once you create a dot like this, you write whatever information you want to put on this dot. So whatever information you put on this dot, and you add it to your team features or platform on that same account, your team member will see that dot that you pass across to them. What probably you want to write a particular information or a particular work or whatever it is you want to pass across to them, just put them in this dot. All right, and no need to share, just put them and click this arrow sign here. All right, click this arrow sign here. Click this arrow sign here, and it will automatically load here. So if you want to create another dot, you can do that. Okay. If you want to add a location, you can add location. Okay. You can just play around with it. All right. You can also play around with it. Okay. So under this dot here, we have my dot. We have shared. Alright, so on this particular dot, one more thing again I need to let you know. On this particular dot, after creating this dot, once you have finished creating this dot, you can share this dot to whoever you want to share it. Alright, for instance, if you want to share it to some people, if you have a mail of people you want to send it to, you can just click the, let me just use this one for instance. Arrow and it will automatically exist. Alright, so if you need to create multiple dots, you can do that here, but as for this free version, I have limited access to what I can do on this account, so that is that of this particular feature. So on another, let me do one more features again. Alright, so okay, let's go to forms. I need to reload again because of my network that went off, so just a few minutes for it to come up again. Here is my thoughts today. If you really want to change your world today. Alright, here we are. So let's try another features. One more features. Let's try forms. Alright. Let's try forms. Here is my. Okay, so on these forms, of course, you should have an idea what forms is all about. With forms, you can create feedback forms, project form, other forms, registration forms, whichever forms you want to create. You can also start from the scratch. So all this has its own templates. So let's say for instance you want to create a registration forms for instance. You can do that. Alright. Let's say marketing, no result for this. Okay, let's do something. The reason why we are not having anything here is because we are using free version. And only if we are able to, you can only have access to that only if you create subscribe for their package. Alright, so that is it why it's bringing that it's bringing all this empty sign. So if you want to start from scratch, you can do that here. So I can only, there are limits to what I can do here. You can see for yourself. So this is what you can do with this particular features. Alright, you can also try out other features. So to enjoy this package very well, the basic package is like $7. Alright, it's not much at all, so it's something you can just subscribe. Alright, it's a package you can subscribe with. Okay, so it's not expensive at all, so you can just try out the basic package and see how it goes. Alright, so let me just quickly show you the price here too. Alright, this here. Okay, I'm picking this. I'm trying to. So it's not coming up when I talk. So okay, I just want to show you I need to review the price package to you guys. Okay, alright. So here is the package here. Unlimited version is $7 monthly version. Alright. This is the monthly version, $7. So you can see here it has 2 GB storage per users. These are what it entails. Alright. Unlimited forms you can see here. So that will be all for now, guys.
So that will be all for today. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things in my illustration. So if you love this video, kindly like, share and comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. That is the only way I can know you love me. Please subscribe. Thank you so much and peace out.